Tillamook Bay, where the scenery is beautiful, the air is salty, and the crabs have no idea what's coming. Before we started crabbing, the cruise passed this shipwreck across the bay. It's like Oregon's own pirate movie set, just with more pelicans. With our spot picked, it was time to deploy the crab pot. Precision, skill, and no guarantee we wouldn't lose the rope. Down below, the crabs started showing up like it was an all-you-can-eat buffet. This is where the magic happens. While we waited, Tillamook Bay gave us one of those perfect Oregon days. Calm water, warm sun, and a slight feeling the crabs were planning a coup. Time for the big reveal. Would it be crabs or just seaweed and disappointment? Jackpot, crabs, lots of crabs. Happiness can't be bought, but you can catch it, boil it, and dip it in butter. Kevin was clearly born for this moment, crab champion of Tillamook Bay. To wrap up, we snapped a group photo on the beach, our crew, one perfect day of Oregon crabbing in the books. Tillamook Bay delivered again. Shipwrecks, sunshine, and a crab jackpot. Like, subscribe, and tell us, would you pull up a crab pot like this?